Hi, mathematicians. We've been working on division and learning a bunch of different strategies to help us when we are solving division problems. So, quickly, let's review those strategies. So, one of the very first strategies we learned was to make a model. Now, that's when we draw a picture, use counters. Another strategy similar to this, because it is kind of like making a model, but you make an array. Another strategy we learned was repeated subtraction. We also learned that we could use our related multiplication facts, or when we're dividing by 9, we can use factors. So today we're going to be focusing on challenging ourselves a little bit by solving two-step problems. The good news is we can use these strategies to help us solve these multi-step problems involving division and other operations. So let's get started. All right, so I have a few word problems here. Let's take a look at the first one. It says, Jen bought 2 packs of notebooks and a folder for $11. The folder costs $3. Each pack of notebooks costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of notebooks? Okay, now we know how many times do we need to read a word problem. Not just once, but twice. So we read it for the first time to take it in, start to picture it in our minds, but now we're going to read it again and pull out the important information. So I'm going to get my marker so I can underline the important information. Okay, so let's take a look. Jen bought 2 packs of notebooks. Okay, do you picture that in a package? 2 packs of notebooks. And a folder, it's supposed to say, and 1 folder for $11. So we have 1 folder, and the total she spent was $11. So if you picture that, you go to the store, you get 2 packs of notebooks, 1 folder, and you spend $11. The folder costs $3. Okay, so just the folder costs $3. Each pack of notebooks costs the same amount. Okay, so each notebooks costs the same. So that means when I bought 2 of them, they're both the same price. What is the price of 1 pack of notebooks? All right, so let's think of that. We know how much the folder costs. That's $3. We know the total amount we spent. Now we just need to figure out how much we spent on the notebooks and then how much each pack of notebooks count. So first, let's think about how much money we just spent on notebooks. How can we do that? Well, let's think. We know our total amount. What is the total amount of money we spent when you look at this? Shout it out. $11. Good. So we spent $11. And a folder costs $3. So how can I figure out how much money I spent on the notebooks? Good. I'm going to take away 3 to get $8 because I spent $8 just on notebooks. I'm going to put an N. So remember, that's how much I spent on the notebooks. But remember, how many packs of notebooks did I buy? Good, I bought 2, and we want to know how much each costs. So if I spent $8 and have 2 of something and want to figure out the cost of each one, what operation do I need to do? Are you thinking division? Then you are correct. So I'm going to take the total amount that the notebooks cost, which was $8. I'm going to divide it by how many packages I bought, which is 2. And then I'm going to figure out what that equals, and that will tell me how much 1 costs. Okay, so try and solve 8 divided by 2. For me, I'm going to use one of my strategies of using a related fact. So I'm going to think 2 times what equals 8? Oh, I know, it's 4. So my answer would be the price of one pack of notebooks is $4. Okay, see? Not bad. Are you guys ready to try another one? I am. All right, let's put that one to the side. Let's try another multi-step problem. All right, remember, we're going to read it twice. The first time we're going to read it is to start to picture it in our mind, and then we're going to read it again and pull out the important information. So it says, Mike bought 4 packs of t-shirts. Okay, can you picture that? Somebody going to Costco and buying packages of t-shirts. He gave 5 shirts to his friend. So 5 shirts, not 5 packs, right? Because he only bought 4. So imagine you have all these, you open them up and give 5 shirts away to a friend. Now Mike has 19 shirts. How many t-shirts were in each pack? Okay. So, did you picture it? Now we have to pull out the important information. So I'm going to stick it on here and underline. So it says, Mike bought 4 packs of t-shirts. Okay, so I think the 4 packs is important. He gave 5 shirts to his friend. I think gave and 5 shirts is important because he's giving it away. Now he is 19. How many t-shirts were in each pack? Okay, so do I know how many t-shirts he actually started off with? No, I don't. I know how many he has now. So how many shirts does he have now? Good, 19. He currently has 19 shirts. But he gave away 5 before he had that. So if he gave them away, I need to add them back to figure out how many he originally had. So I am going to add 5 to this to get 24. So finally I know how many total t-shirts he has. So I know how many total t-shirts. I also know he bought 4 packs originally. Now can I figure out how many were in each pack? Yes, I can. So I need to take my total amount of t-shirts, which was 24. I need to divide it by the amount of packs. And then I will get my answer. Remember, we have a lot of strategies we can use here. I think for this one, I'm going to make a model. So I'm going to make how many groups? Good. I'm going to make 4 groups because there are 4 packs, and that's our divisor. Okay. And now I'm going to put 1 in each until I get to what? Good. 24, because that is our dividend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Good. How many are in each group? 6. So, how many t-shirts were in each pack? My answer would be 6 shirts. Awesome. All right. So mathematicians, now it's your turn to try a multi-step problem. Remember, it is really important when solving these that you read the problems twice. First, to picture it in your mind, make that mental image, just like when we read, but this time for math, right? Because math is just real life problems. And then pull out the information and think about what you need to do. So let's take a look at the one I want you guys to try. So this says, John bought 4 packs of toy cars. Okay, picture that, 4 packs. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. Now Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? Okay, let's read it again. We'll pull out the important information together. and then you guys will try and solve. So, John bought 4 packs of toy cars. The 4 packs is definitely important. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. So imagine you have 4 and then you're adding 9 to it. Draw a picture if you need to. Actually, I will. I have 4 packs of cars and then 9 extra cars. See how I did that? I'm literally picturing my packs of cars and then 9 extra cars. Now, Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? So I need to think how many would need to be in each of these to the whole thing to equal 21. All right, mathematicians, it's your turn to try. Good luck solving your multi-step problems today. Off you go.